Word of the day is assailed. Assailed. Definition is attack in speech or writing, launch an attack or assault on hostilities or start warfare with, attack someone physically or emotionally. उर्दू मीनिंग्स हैं हल्ला बोलना, चढ़ाई करना, हमला करना, असरअंदाज हो जाना, मारना. Synonyms are abuse, assault, attack, criticize, encounter, beset, berate, malign. Antonyms are champion, defend, support, withdraw. Word of the day is impugn. Impugn. Definition is attack as false or wrong. To criticize one's character or intentions. Synonyms are contradict, put down, resist, assail, attack, blast, break, negate, negative, oppose, disaffirm, zap. Antonyms are defend, advocate, justify, disaffirm, forgive, excuse, support, pardon, remit, clear, shrive, champion, vindicate, exonerate, absolve, acquit, clear, exculpate.